Hey, what's happening, guys? Once again, I apologize for the air conditioner noise in the background. It is extremely hot and humid here in the greater Pittsburgh area right now. Anyway, in that spirit, I've got one of these air cooler, personal space coolers like the Arctic Chill kind of thing. I got this one off of Amazon. It was like $28. So I thought we'd check it out and see if it really works, if it's really worth the money. In fact, it was just delivered like 2 minutes ago. And I thought, okay, well, I'll do the video now. So we have a user's guide, a USB power cable, and the device itself in very crinkly plastic. Pardon me for the noise. I'm sorry about that. Okay. So here it is. Let me grab a ruler. It is 6.5 inches. Or about 16.5 centimeters. And it's pretty much a cube. So that should just about do it size-wise. It says operating instructions-wise. 10 watts. Cooling area 2 square meters. Well, that's not a whole lot, but we'll see. Lower temperature achieved. Lowest temperature achieved. So it should break it down to 42 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit or 6 to 8 degrees Celsius. Interesting. Power supply for adapter. I don't think it included an adapter. I'm correct. No adapter was included, but I've got one here. I know you probably can't see that. It's hardly readable. It's 2 amps. So it says we need 2 amps. That should cover it. Place it on a flat surface, open the water tank, fill with water, plug in the outlet, insert larger end of USB cable, blah, blah, blah. Press power on for air cooler, set the fan speed, choose your light. Must be level. Let the water absorb for 3 minutes before use. Filter charged every 6 months. Filter changed every 6 months. Okay. So this would be the reservoir, which you'd probably like to see, wouldn't you? Sorry about that. I got a little over 2 cups of water here. And we'll see what. That filled it up about 7/8 of the way, I'd say. Alright, next we will get the USB, which plugs in down here. I'm unwrapping the cord. It is a micro USB. Alrighty. So we are now going to let it sit for 3 minutes so that it can absorb the water into the filter as it instructed us. And when we plug in the adapter, we'll plug it in through this nice AC watt meter and we'll see what it takes. I'll be back in 3 minutes. Our 3 minutes are up. Got a K-type thermocouple here. And I'm just going to stick it right there in front. And over here, you can see we are at 77 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 degrees C. That's the current ambient temperature in this room. Next, we're going to plug it in. Don't worry, we'll be looking at the watt meter shortly. I'm just plugging it in first of all. And power on. Fan is on high. And I'm going to let it run for just a couple of minutes. Okay, well, what I can say so far is I can definitely feel the cool air blowing on me. You can see the temperature has dropped. It has nice little adjustable louvers there. Let me turn off a couple of these overhead lights here, and we'll see how the night light looks. I mean, it is 11 a.m., so I don't know how much we're going to see, but okay. There's sort of a yellowish green color, purple, blue, still looks blue to me, and off. Green, red, white, turquoise, and we're back to the yellow. I like it. Now, even though it is only showing us 69 degrees Fahrenheit, I can definitely feel much cooler air. Of course, my hot breath is not helping things either. Let's take a look at the watt meter. Go handheld for this, I apologize. But you can see we are drawing 3.7 watts here. 3.4 watts now, it says. There's my input voltage. 61 milliamps. Not bad at all. And now it's actually, oh, that's the low. 2.3 watts. There we are. High 3.7. And we are running at 3.4. So in conclusion, I would say, while it's definitely not a 15,000 BTU room air cleaner, air conditioner, pardon me. Although it is somewhat of a cleaner, it has a filter in there. We are about 7 to 8 degrees cooler Fahrenheit than when we started, and I think that's a good thing. So this is going to go into my son's bedroom, and I'll report back to you guys in a week or so what he has to say about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to put this in my Amazon store. I like it. All right, that's it. I'm out. Oh, before I go, thanks to the patrons. That's who bought this. Thank you, patrons. I appreciate it. All right, peace.